Good. We're going to be working on the road test. We got our client here. He's going to be going to Amazon Prime in California. So we're just sitting here waiting and being patient. This is a protected left turn, so we're looking for Sean to turn into the nearest lane by the double yellow. Yes, sir. Go straight. The road tester will ask you a question. If you have to hit something, what should you hit?
Soft.
Something soft. You never want to hit anything hard as a tree or rock.